Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video, and that's about our favorite TV series Heartland. In Heartland Season 15, Episode 10, Leaving a Legacy, Amy receives a gift that was left by Ty Borden for the 6th anniversary that he never got to give her. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. At the start of the episode, we saw Amy get a letter from Ty's mom Lily. Apparently, Lily and Ty's stepdad Wade have finally parted ways, and as part of the separation agreement, Lily got to keep Howler, the racehorse he brought to Heartland in Season 14, Episode 3. Ever since Amy walked with Howler, the horse has been winning races left and right. And since Lily owns Howler now, she gets to keep all his winnings too. So Lily sent Amy a check with a part of Howler's winnings since Amy is the reason Howler is doing so well in the first place. It was a really large sum of money which meant that Amy was unwilling to accept the check. After all, Amy didn't want to feel like she owes Lily something. And all through the episode, we saw Amy wrestle with what to do about Lily's check. But the check wasn't Amy's only worry in Heartland Season 15, Episode 10. She was also concerned about Logan and his future since Cooper Center was financially not in a good place. Early in the episode, we saw Clint ask Amy to come to the center because he was worried about Logan. The teen wasn't thinking about going back to school in the fall and finding a job since Logan knew that the center will most likely close soon, and he can't keep on living at the group home forever. This did not sit well with Amy. So she tried talking to Logan, telling him how although she was never a straight A student, she still finished high school and that she also still regrets not going to university. Amy also told Logan about Ty and his journey with going back to high school after arriving at Heartland and then graduating vet school. Logan, however, was still not convinced. So Amy decided to find Ty's old college coursebook to show Logan how many options there are for the teen if he just sticks it out and finishes school. But while doing so, she found something else. Amy rummaged through all the cabinets at the office for the coursebook and she found it at the bottom drawer of the metal cabinet, where next to it was a package and an envelope with Amy's name on it. From the handwriting, Amy knew that it was from Ty, and upon closer inspection, it turned out to be Ty's gift to Amy for their 6th anniversary that he never got to give her. It was a beautiful horseshoe with words "Stronger Together" engraved on it, and Ty had also written a card that said, "Dear Amy, I have had a hard time writing things like this, but you need to know how you have changed my life, how Heartland changed my life. I was a kid who didn't know who he was or what he wanted to do. I was lost. I didn't think I had a future, and now I have you and our beautiful daughter. I have a life I never dreamed I would have. I think you and I can do anything. Let's leave a legacy together. I love you always, Ty." These unexpected findings put things into perspective for Amy and she realized just what she wanted to do with Lily's money. Amy decided to invest it in the Equestrian Therapy Center. She will put some of the money away for Lindy's future and the majority of it will go towards keeping the center going. And although Jack was not sure if it was the right decision at first, Amy explained why she feels that this is the right thing to do. Amy said, "When I see a kid like Logan, I know what I have to do. Logan needs that place. It's like what Heartland was for Ty. That center could be a heaven for so many kids if it's allowed to grow. And Ty and I can leave a legacy together, just like he wanted. And I think Lily would approve too." That quickly convinced Jack. And at the end of the episode, we saw the unveiling of the Dr. Ty Borden Equestrian Youth Center. Clint agreed to stay on and run the center full-time, and he even asked Logan if he would like to move to the center permanently and work there, looking after the horses and the kids that come to the center. However, Clint did have one condition. Logan had to finish high school at Hudson. So it looks like the mystery of what will become of Cooper Center that has been there since episode 4 of the season is finally solved. The center will stay open with Clint at the helm, and Logan will also stay around to keep learning from Amy. as well as to start his own journey of working with horses at the youth center. This makes all the Heartland fans happy because, as Logan told Amy, he reminds Clint of Ty, and to have Logan stay in Amy's life is a really nice thing. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.